Hi guys, today I'm seeing how high can I jump. I deleted my old one, so I'm not to make a new video how high I can jump. But some was real basketball. Look, you can't even follow me. So here is raining. I'll say this is like maybe 4.5 feet. That's one easy. It's like feeding. So it's like maybe 4.8, not 4.10. 4.10. 5 foot. Five two. Oh, sorry guys, I almost knocked into you left. 5'4". He is 5'4". Hey. Hello. 26. I don't know if I can dunk it. I should be able to get it. No way, I gotta cut that. I think this is about 5'8". Okay, yeah, 5'8". 5'8". See what I get. No roll through. Got it. Okay. Making it taller. 5'10". And 5'10". I got it. We count it, guys. I have to. I got over the rim, and I put it inside the hoop. I got over, we're counting this bottom of the top. Bottom counts. 6 foot. No, 6 foot. Like, yeah, 6 foot. 6 foot. No, I'm down. I'm not even trying to play real basketball. Now, 6 foot is my limit for real basketball. Bye, guys.